What's going on, guys? Gabe here with Review Dork, and well, we're looking at the screen here. What the hell is this blue crayon mark? Well, this is the VWAP. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the VWAP here, because the volume weighted average price is a trading benchmark used by traders that gives the average price a security has traded at throughout the day based on both volume and price. It is important because it provides traders with insight into both the trend and the value of the security. So guys, before we look at the price action on an intraday, because this is when the VWAP is most useful, what I like to do with pretty much any equity is get an idea of its overall trend. And we are using AMC as an example, but we can see that there is a trend upwards on the daily. This is a good thing because it helps us plot our support and resistance based on empirical data or previous opens and close. So what we see here is that we have support at 29.96. We're then going to go ahead and find where our resistance is. And we find that our resistance is probably somewhere at or about right there, which is 40.98. Now that we have this channel formed, what we want to do is go into the intraday, and I like to look at the minute chart. So we're using AMC for this example, and we could see in pre-market, AMC was trading below the VWAP. Then market opens and we have a VWAP breakthrough. Now, how would I trade this? Well, I don't use VWAP alone as my sole indicator. I couple it with volume. Mind you, I've already plotted my support and resistance based on empirical data over previous trading days. And so now I'm worried about the price action on the intraday. I'm not saying to day trade AMC, guys, but I know a lot of you guys are apes and you're intimate with the price action. So what is happening here? We have a crossover and VWAP now becomes support. We also have it confirmed with volume. So you guys can see there's a lot of buying pressure, which then drives the price upwards. This is known as a volume squeeze. We then see a little bit of retracement because the bears took hold of the price action. But again, VWAP being what VWAP is, acted as support, and AMC price action moaned all the way up to 38.77. What essentially is the VWAP? In order for a market to exist, you need buyers and sellers, Applejacks. When I want to sell something, what's my main objective?
To try to sell it at the highest price.
And if I want to buy something, what's my main objective?
To buy at the lowest price.
This is Wall Street, not Sesame Street. You're not getting fucking coupons. But the VWAP is going to help you to better understand where you are getting the deal. So when we break below VWAP, we could see we got as low as 35.85. That's telling me, hey, it's a good deal. So Applejacks, you're an institution. I'm long on AMC. I want to buy some stock. What's your job?
I would try to buy under the VWAP.
Why?
Because the price is cheaper.
His job is to get me the best price possible. Hedgies, institutions, pretty much money managers out there, if you're going to give them a call and say, hey, I want to buy a certain equity, their job's to get you the best price possible. With that being said, we could also look at the VWAP and compare it to price action to see the relative strength of the price. And as we move along and we enter the last leg of the day, we could see that the equity is showing massive strength just below the VWAP. If I'm bullish on the stock, I'm probably going to buy AMC right there. And when it crosses over, I see some profit, I'd probably sell. Now, I'm not advising any one of you guys to day trade AMC because we know that the thesis here is to buy and hold. But this is essentially how you would play any and every equity, finding the best deals, having empirical data based on price action previous, and then entering your intraday trades with confidence and knowing that you're getting the best deal and knowing that, well, with volume, you're going to see some bullish price action. That's what the VWAP exists for, getting the best deals possible because there's no fucking coupons. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. I hope you learned something. make sure you have VWAP enabled on all of your charts, especially if you're even thinking about day trading. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.